Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos now. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the app is open, tap your profile photo in the top right and navigate to Photos settings. From there, go directly to Sharing settings to see active shared libraries and partner accounts. This is where gallery access is controlled. You're doing this to remove unwanted view or sync permissions, so identify the shared library or link you want to revoke before moving on. Once you're in Sharing, find the shared library or link that grants gallery access. Tap the partner or shared link entry, then choose Remove Partner or Revoke Link. This stops that account from viewing or syncing your photos. Make sure to confirm the removal when prompted. This prevents accidental continuation. Also check Backup and sync so nothing automatically reshares, and inspect any albums shared via link to revoke them individually if needed. To finish, verify the change. Return to Sharing and confirm the partner or link no longer appears. If access still seems active, log out and back in, or clear the app cache to refresh permissions. This often resolves lingering states. If that fails, open your Google account permissions and remove access to third-party apps or devices that may re-grant sharing. Finally, test by asking the other party to confirm they can no longer view the gallery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.